but you still sound there than me. And I had terrible service. Your healthcare should be free. It's the top 1% of people who should not be president. But trust me, you aren't getting 50% of the delegates.
I just want a dress who does not look like an old army, and who does not get crazy hard. Let rank Jacob help me. I've got years of experience. I was strictly from Obama. You've got nothing. You're not even with Alabama.
Funny you mentioned that state. You're pretty green yourself, mate. You're in the debate. Now I've increased your tax rates, troubles. You're sleeping, Joe, but I'm the sleeping one when you speak. Now please don't go keep singing another little calendar sheet.
At this point, I don't even need to get any votes. It'll fall to die before July. And while waiting by default, I've been endorsed by Pete and Co. While you're endorsed by two mayors. Half of your fans can't even vote. What's a bunch of losers?
Like last time, the DNC wants to see me lose. Who is Joe? Got no clue. No one even knows your views. People are still pledging to me more than you'll ever get. I destroy you just like I eliminate student debt.
You call yourself a socialist. So I don't see you starving. You got your own car. So I wouldn't trust your party. Your biggest political successes of those unfunny means. My means for better baby and winning your dreams.